This is the UI, and in this video I'm gonna teach you how to create a smooth animation PowerPoint. So our animation is grow and get away. Okay, to create it, create a new text box, type in, for example, type E here, and you need to create the shape to measure the distance between the letters. And put in the middle of the slide and make an copy it here and copy it one more time. Make these letters more bigger, 40 for example, and keep a big distance between it. Make a group and put in the middle of the slide again and make a group. Then transition, apply morph animation or morph transition, and reduce the direction to 50 seconds and make it again here. And choose our result. I know this animation can be difficult to create every time. You need to create editors by its own, but this is a smooth animation. If you wanted to make unsmooth animation, you can create it like this. Get a text box and type a new, for example, again. Put in the middle, move those slides, and make this bigger to 40, and choose the distance, more spacing, put to 20 for example. That's nice. Put 50. Yeah, that's good. In the middle, and apply the morph transition. Okay. Did you see how it grow bigger and smaller here? This is unsmooth. So simply that's it. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe with all notifications. See you later.